Today I'm going to show you how to easily roll back or undo a WordPress theme or plugin to a previous version. Maybe you've updated a plugin and something on your site suddenly broke, or perhaps a theme update changed your site's look in ways you didn't expect. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to restore an earlier version safely using a handy tool called WP Rollback. Let's jump right in. We're starting with the easiest and safest method. The WP Rollback plugin. This plugin is designed specifically to help you return any theme or plugin, provided it's from WordPress.org's official repository, to an earlier version with just a few clicks. It can really save the day if an update causes trouble or you need a previous version for compatibility. First, you'll need to install WP Rollback. Head to your WordPress dashboard, then over on the left, click on Plugins and choose Add New. In the search box up top, type WP Rollback, and you should see it pop up right away. Look for the one with a black and white undo style arrow. Click the Install Now button, and after a second, go ahead and click Activate. That's it for setup. The plugin now seamlessly integrates into your admin area. Let's talk through rolling back a plugin first. Go back to that Plugins tab and select Installed Plugins. You'll now notice a new rollback link under each plugin's name, almost like a new emergency exit appears right where you need it. Find the plugin you want to undo. Maybe it's one that's been acting up since an update. Click that rollback link. Now you'll see a list of all the versions of that plugin that are available. This is really powerful. Think of it as a time machine for your website. Select the version you want to revert to. If you're not sure, it's usually safest to pick the most recent version before things went awry. Don't worry if it takes a moment to load. This is your last chance to double-check before you go back. Once you're ready, just click the rollback button. The plugin will handle the heavy lifting and swap out the newer version for your chosen one. No code, no files, no stress. Themes work a little bit differently, but it's just as straightforward. On your dashboard sidebar, click Appearance, then Themes. Hover over the theme you want to roll back and click Theme Details. Down in the bottom right, there should now be a rollback button thanks to the plugin we installed. Click that, choose the version you need from the list provided, and confirm your choice. The rollback process begins, and within a few seconds, your site's look should return to the way it was before. It's kind of like hitting undo in your favorite writing app. Your changes are reversed, and you regain that safe, familiar setup. One thing to keep in mind, WP Rollback works only with plugins and themes from the official WordPress repository, not with premium, third-party, or custom-built items. So if you're not seeing the rollback option, that might be why. And that wraps it up. Restoring previous versions is now totally within your control. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or ran into any snags, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy WordPress guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.